Thanks for joining us today for a quick recap of the do's and don'ts for a successful abstract submission to the NACDEP conference. We know you've been doing great work all year long, and we want to hear all about it. So let's dive in. Just remember, all of this great content was created based on a survey of former NACDEP abstract reviewers. So you're getting inside info to help you write your most successful abstract ever. And guess what? This info is also useful for other conferences that you will be submitting abstracts to. So let's move into the do's. Do be succinct. Short and sweet is always best. Plan your responses. This will save you so much time in the long run. Be relatable. Make sure you identify the conference themes and stick to them. Be replicable. We're all looking for great ideas for our own extension programs. Proofread. Always good to have an extra set of eyes, and I'm sure your colleagues will oblige. Be creative. This is what sets your abstract or project apart, so be sure to put that center stage in your submission. Share outcomes. We want to learn about what you've learned, even if you failed. This is what makes your project submission relatable. Use real-life examples. Extension folks love to talk. At least that's what everyone says. So share your story and your client's story, and your project will shine. Look at the criteria. It's always a good idea to review the scoring rubric. This will help you determine where you should spend the most time polishing your abstract. Now moving into the don'ts. Don't wait until the last minute. You hear it all the time, and it's true. You never know what might happen. So plan ahead and submit early. You can do it. Don't rely on technology. Trying to beat that 11:59 p.m. deadline might not go so well if you rely on your internet connection and portal connectivity. There's always a glitch when you least expect it. Don't cut and paste. Shortcuts are helpful, but customization is the key to success here. Don't submit for a project that's not yet done. We want to learn from you. If you haven't done it yet, we're not sure what the lessons learned might be. And most importantly, don't be afraid to try. The committee wants to read about innovative, out-of-the-box programs, so feel free to submit and check the best fit categories.